Hey everybody, I've got a little gardening update for you. First of all, I finally got around to trying to fix the clog in the drip lines. So I came out just a little while ago, and I was gonna try to figure out a way of getting my leaf blower hooked up so I could blow some air that way. But the problem was I took this off, and inside there's this little bitty, it's almost like a pinhead opening for the water to get through, and that was clogged up with a whole bunch of gunk, probably some like old pollen and stuff. So the first blockage was right there, so I was able to clear that, and then we've got water flow. All right, we've got the next bed. You can see the water, and then here's another spot where I checked, and there was a whole bunch of crud or whatever, bunch of gunk that I cleared up, and then the water started flowing. You can see it actually dripping out. The flow is so good. And then finally we have the end of the line, and we've got water flow the whole length coming from that barrel. So yeah, everything worked out just fine. I didn't have to dig anything up. I didn't have to figure out a tool to hook up my leaf blower to blow some air. So yeah, a couple other things. My little mini greenhouse. I abandoned it. It wasn't working. It was just getting too cold at night, especially last night. I'm glad I didn't have those things out. So a couple days ago, I brought all those plants in, and they're on the windowsill. I'll show you guys those in just a few minutes. Here's the peas. Let me show you the peas. We got a lot of good germination on the peas. Goes all the way down the end. Loops around the perimeter, comes back. This side is taking a little bit longer to germinate, but there's peas in there. I think they'll all eventually come up. Just take a little while because the morning sun, it's blocked by this bunny barrier. Another thing I did yesterday, I made this little elevated herb bed. This is going to be for like basil and dill and cilantro and things like that. Just took some old scraps of wood that I had laying around. Had some leftover landscape material from the bunny barrier, and I lined it with that, filled it up with some dirt. Seeds are on order. They should be here in about a week. Yeah, so there we go. Let's go inside and let's check out the germination from the tomatoes, the tomatillos, and the hot peppers. Okay, so this is on the ledge in the downstairs. Get some really good sunshine. These are tomatoes. So you've got a whole bunch of germination for the tomatoes. These are another kind of tomato. These ones are taking a little bit longer, but there's a few. And then these are hot peppers. They're starting to come up. Another tray of tomatoes. Got some germination there. So yeah, we're getting there. Thanks for watching, guys.